Inky problems are problems that similar to Sudokus in the fact that you have a set of numbers that you cannot repeat and use more than once in any column or row. Based upon the size of the can determines what numbers you can use. So if it's a 3 by 3, you can use numbers 1 through 3. If it's a 4 by 4, you can use numbers 1 through 4, and so forth. Since this is a 3 by 3, that means we have the numbers 1 through 3 available to us. You'll notice that there are darker lines that break it into regions. And these are the regions that are created. And in the corners of each box are the rules for that region. So we know that the boxes that are here had to have a difference of 1. That means it's need to subtract to give 1. These 3 boxes will need to give me a difference, or a multiplication. They need to multiply together to give me 18. And again, I only have the numbers 1 through 3 available. So if I know these 2 boxes have to multiply to give me 3, I know that I'm either going to have so I know these will need to give me a difference of 3, or multiply to give me 3. So I know that my options are either this has to be a 1 or a 3, 1 or 3. If these need to give me a difference of 1, I know I need to use some combinations of 2 numbers that are 1 apart. The one that gives me the most information is this one that tells me that the 3 boxes here need to multiply to give me 18. So 18, really honestly, is the only way that we can get 18 is 3 times 3 times 2. But I can't use these 3's in the same row or column. So that automatically means that we are going to put a 3 here and a 3 here. And then the 2 would have to go here, which is going to give me down to one choice in this spot here, in this box, and that's going to make this a 1. So if that's a 1, and then up here, this is going to have to be a 1 because it has to be 1, 2, 3 in any row and column. And so if I need to get, let's start here with this red box up at the top right hand corner. That box has to have a difference of 1. So something minus 1 is going to be 1. That would have to be 2. That leaves us the only option left here in the top left hand corner is 3. And then I can, again at the bottom left hand corner, those 2 boxes will have to be a difference of 1. But I can also find those because if I look down my columns, I have a 3 and a 1, I'm missing a 2. I have a 2, a 3, I'm missing a 1. And that fills in the rest of the can. So look for your rule regions and split those apart. Usually one of them is going to give you something that you can go further with.